No, you try.
Rencho. Bisa ka nyo.
Yeah, you can eat it now. I'll also be
Ano ba yung
going
ano?
through all the fruits and telling you
Ay,
about
yan,
them.
mas
So
ano
you
naman.
can wait as well. This one's
Little girl, you try this.
Guyabano.
Wala. Nagtatampo, nagtatampo. This one, just
Can you present? Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang natin. Okay, Ate Amber.
What's that?
Okay, what's that?
This is a fruit that looks like another fruit but green.
Dati sa may.
Ayun, you stretch. All the citrus stuff.
Can I go to the toilet?
Touch this first.
I already tasted it.
You tasted it?
I mean, ate it. I mean,
Pineapple honey without honey. Kishen.
The ingredients are pineapple and sugar.
There it is.
Wow.
Say hi to the driver.
Kanina, baka na yung kamay. Where are we sitting?
At the back, at the back. Kasi para daw makapag-reach tayo ng walang ano.
Ah.
They grow all these different. So can you imagine how incredible that was to be exploding with lava and leaving all that around this area? So Mount Warning, Full London, Cloud Catcher. So up there to the right hand side as well, that big grey shed is where we have and sort out all of our fruits that have been handpicked off the
and
farm.
just that other one.
And
I'm not.
who can see the first fruit of the day?
First fruit.
Avocado. It's watermelon.
Oh no.
Watermelon. It is avocado. Avocado is the most nutritional valued fruit in the world. That is right. It has everything that our bodies need to survive and function on a daily basis, except for B12, because that comes from animal products. But this beautiful green fruit that camouflages amongst the foliage has 14 vitamins, 11 minerals, fat, oils. See what everyone's doing. I know that you won't do anything else. But still. So, whose favourite fruit is mango? Oh, a few different mango lovers on board. What about avocado? Yes, okay, we've come to a big, the right place here. We're going to drive past the giant avocado at the front of the plantation, which is a part of the big five around Australia. Around, say hi to yourself in the mirror there. So that's the banana plantation that Fox first originally came to visit in 1948, and now he has built and established a whole opportunity for us to enjoy every single day. Right here, on our left-hand side, is in between these beautiful papayas. See this red egg-shaped fruit? That is called the Tamarello tomato. It is an exotic tree tomato. You can eat it just as it is, or make pies and chutneys. Did you try the custard apple today? Yeah. So do you believe that I need to share from here on out up until September? On the left-hand side, macadamia. Do you know macadamia is... So tropical fruit world sits 7.5 kilometres from the South Pacific Ocean. And we're looking directly at that ocean now in our front reveal vision. So this garden is dedicated to the South Pacific. And if you kept travelling in northeast direction, you're going to come across over 100 islands. Of course, they're in tropical climate all year round. Beautiful people, culture, foods, and of course fruits. With one more excitingly, it's known as star fruit. It is the exact same shape as a little star. That's our dragon fruit experimental garden where we first cross-graft the white and the red to produce the pink panther. One of the rarest forms of dragon fruit you can find alongside the yellow. Olives, the tree of here some days because it just reminds us of what green dense beauty surrounds us. All these trees are providing oxygen for us to breathe, fruits for us to survive on, and homes for many local wildlife. Well, down there is jackfruit. Do you know we have the Guinness Book of Records for the heaviest hand-picked jackfruit in Australia? It weighed 40 kilos. 40? Yeah, 40 kilos. For one fruit that grows up a tree that tastes like banana, rock melon and bubblegum and full of iron and protein. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, once the tractor comes to a complete stop and the engine has been switched off, you're most welcome to pop out of your seat from the left-hand side. We're going to gather around the table and try some bananas and macadamias. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask myself or Aiden. Other than that, enjoy it. I'll see you shortly. Do you have a question?
Filipino. San? Daddy? Oh, oo.
The Buddhist hand is actually what's a secret fruit from the Orient. It's the original citrus fruit. So there's traces, you can find traces of Buddhist hand in all other citrus fruit. You can use it in cooking. I've actually got one in my car. It's scratchy. So as a
Tikmo?
Ano?
Tikman?
Kulin, banana.
Kulin your banana.
Kulin, banana.
Thank you. Teka, ay Kulin. Ubusan ang battery. Look, you want the banana?
guys, once if you have your banana,
I don't know.
once you finish with your banana skin, you guys just throw it under a banana tree, or straight back onto the crop. In the plant banana, there is so much potassium, so much nitrogen, a lot of vitamin B.
Yeah, it's a real banana.
No.
Kung pagtap mo.
Wait, not yet. My finger is there.
It won't open.
Oh, it's not open. Ah! Wait. Wait. That's how you do it.
No, ganito lang. Hanapin mo kung saan sa malaki.
It doesn't.
There's actually bathrooms up there if anyone needs, but I hope you've enjoyed the first part of your tour this afternoon. But the next activities are pretty special. We're going to take all of our belongings, walk in past that dam and go meet our friendly farm animals, followed by a boat cruise. So, yeah.
Well, tama si, ano,
Here, actually overflows to the next one. All the dams, there's probably got 4 of them, flow down into the next one, which is the lowest lying.
Oo, mas malaki.
Yan o, gilid. Isa ulit. Yan. Hey!
Ate Amber, it takes 2 cans.
Welcome aboard the SS Water Dragon. Down here on the where our pumps are situated. Pumps through water to a 40 k's worth of irrigation. These are a mix of native Australian ginger, oriental ginger, and galangal, which is direct relatives.
Ito maganda ba yun? Kabuki. Hindi, video. Teka lang. Ang tawag dito? Ang calm.
Washes out any sort of parasites that are in there.
Island.
memory loss, blood sugar levels. And I asked earlier, what is the most important animal in our ecosystem? Yes, fantastic. Look at them. Look, they're the hardest workers I've ever seen in my life. It's very important that we maintain and establish a very important role and relationship with them.